Now, if you are having credit customers and you want to maintain their data, first you need to select their services, then you need to click on continue, then credit. Over here in this pop-up, you will have the choice to select the customer, select customer. You can also create a customer. I will create one for you. For example, test. Okay, now yes, I will create another customer. Okay, save. I will select the customer name, then print invoice. Now I want to collect payment from this customer or see their account. I will click on accounts, customer payments. Now as you can see, 70. Click on it. Now he is paying me 50, for example. Receive in cash. Yes. Now you can see the balance has been reduced. I can also check the statement by clicking on this button. You can see. You can also take a print of it.